Hello, family. Today we're going to go over a simple technique to help you focus on one pair for 5 trading days and to actually see the impact on how many pips you can actually catch in a week. Without further ado, let's get started. So I've gotten this already set up on how we're going to take these trades for the week. When you go to trading view, I put the period separators on or identify my Monday because we're going to start on Monday. I had identified what my Monday was, and I literally just typed out the days of the week so that you can see each setup for each day. And for those who don't know how to get those lines on, the dotted lines, you just go to Appearance, Session Breaks, and you choose whatever color you want the lines to be and in what format. So I have the dotted dash. And I've just literally drew little boxes to highlight each day of the week. And as you can see, using the starting point strategy, when the market had broke above, using that strategy, I identified my areas where I would take my trades. As you can see, the market broke below this starting point right here, and I caught the retest right here for an entry for sell. So for example, that will be one trade set up for Monday. Same thing here, it broke below the starting point, retested this area for a trade down. That's a second opportunity for a trade on Monday as well. And then as we come to Tuesday, we see how this market pulls up. It goes back into the zone, break and closes below this starting point, retest, and then we could have taken this trade down as well. When Wednesday came along, here's another starting point where the market broke and closed above the previous starting point. You could have taken the buy right here, and then for those who wanted to kind of not get in at much of a higher risk trade but wanted to wait until it broke above the previous high, I drew this zone out so you can see. So you could have literally waited until the market broke and closed above this zone right here and took the retest right here for the buy up and caught some major pips into Thursday. Once we got into Thursday, as you can see, there's a little bit of consolidation around the zone, but it eventually breaks through right here, and you could have taken the retest on this candle and taken the market up on this blue candle for 20 pips right there. Next, when the market came below the starting point zone, you could have caught the retest and took the trade down for more pips. And then right here, unfortunately, we didn't get a retest in this area, so we wouldn't have been in the trade unless we had dropped to a lower time frame. So with this particular technique, I'm only using the 1 hour time frame to show you how impactful this is. You can catch setups on multiple time frames. I just wanted to keep this video very simple and straight to the point. So as this market comes back into the zone, retests this area right here, you could have taken the sell down all the way to this starting point again to this area and caught some major pips that way. Now I'm literally, for each day of the week, I had already calculated how many pips you would have received for each day, and when you add this all up by the end of the week, this would have gave you 506 pips. Now, for those who are using a 0.01 or standard lot size, it's still a significant amount of money that you could have made in 1 week. With $50, you could have paid a cell phone bill. And so one thing about this in particular technique is this is going to help you focus on one pair as opposed to trading so many pairs. I want you to see that, yes, you can make money on one pair, and you can find many setups on multiple time frames. Even on one time frame, we had an opportunity to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades this week on one time frame. So imagine had you used the 30-minute or the 15 or the 4-hour, there could have been some setups inside those time frames as well. So I challenge you to try this out and let me know how it works for you. Send me some screenshots or some feedback, And if you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Until then, take care, and I'll stay tuned to the next one. All right, y'all.